Today, we're diving into the rich and heartwarming history of soups, one of humanity's oldest and most comforting culinary traditions. From prehistoric man's first forays into cooking to the refined elegance of a French onion soup, we'll explore how this humble dish has evolved over millennia. We'll travel the globe, savoring the flavors of iconic soups, each a testament to the ingenuity and cultural heritage of its people. So grab a spoon and settle in as we uncover the fascinating story behind every savory bowl. Imagine a time before microwaves, before stoves, even before fire was reliably tamed. Our ancestors, resourceful as they were, discovered that a clay pot, a fire, and some water could transform tough cuts of meat and foraged vegetables into something truly special. These early soups, likely seasoned with whatever herbs and spices were available, weren't just about sustenance. They represented innovation, a way to stretch limited resources and nourish entire families. The invention of the cooking pot, one of humanity's earliest culinary tools, was a pivotal moment, paving the way for the birth of soup as we know it. Just like languages and traditions, soup recipes have traveled the globe, adapting to local ingredients and tastes. Take France, for example, where a simple combination of caramelized onions, beef broth, and a crusty crouton transforms into the soul-warming classic French onion soup. Journey east and you'll encounter the fiery kick of Chinese hot and sour soup, a symphony of textures and flavors. Then there's the earthy richness of African peanut soup, a testament to the continent's bounty of legumes and spices. And let's not forget the vibrant colors and complex flavors of Mexican pozole, a dish steeped in tradition and celebration. Soup's versatility and affordability have earned it a place at tables both humble and grand. In times of plenty, opulent turtle soups graced the tables of kings and queens, a symbol of luxury and indulgence. Yet when times grew tough, soup became a lifeline. During wars and depressions, simple, nourishing soups provided sustenance and solace. These frugal yet flavorful concoctions, often stretching meager rations with creativity and ingenuity, became symbols of resilience and community. Long before the advent of modern medicine, our ancestors recognized the restorative power of a good soup. Chicken soup, often dubbed Jewish penicillin, transcended cultural boundaries, its soothing warmth a balm for body and soul. Traditional Chinese medicine, with its emphasis on balance and harmony, boasts a vast repertoire of herbal soups, each concoction carefully crafted to address specific ailments. These soups, often fragrant with ginger, ginseng, and other medicinal herbs, highlight the interconnectedness of food and well-being. Beyond its nourishing qualities, soup often takes center stage in cultural celebrations and rituals. In many cultures, a steaming bowl of soup marks the start of a special occasion, a symbol of hospitality and togetherness. Think of the joyous slurping of noodles in a celebratory Japanese ramen, each strand representing longevity and good fortune, or the aromatic broth of Vietnamese pho, uniting families and friends during Lunar New Year festivities. These traditions underscore the power of food to connect us, transcending generations and borders. In today's fast-paced world, convenience often trumps tradition. Instant soups, with their promise of a quick meal, line supermarket shelves. Yet, even as technology transforms our kitchens, the essence of soup endures. Chefs continue to reinvent classic recipes, incorporating global flavors and modern techniques. Home cooks, inspired by online communities and a renewed appreciation for homemade meals, find solace in the meditative process of simmering a pot of soup. As we've journeyed through the history of soups, we've uncovered stories of survival, celebration, and the enduring power of food to connect us. But what about your soup story? What are the aromas and flavors that transport you back to childhood kitchens and family gatherings? Perhaps it's your grandmother's secret recipe for chicken noodle soup, a remedy for both sniffles and heartache. Or maybe it's a bowl of spicy chili, shared with friends on a cold winter's night. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through the history of soups. From prehistoric cauldrons to modern kitchens, we've seen how this humble dish has nourished, comforted, and brought people together for centuries. Don't forget to share your favorite soups in the comments below and let us know what memories they bring back for you. What are the stories behind your favorite bowls? Until next time, happy cooking and stay warm.